Hello, sweet friends. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new, to Corascozycastle. Today's video, I'm going to be giving my main living space a nice deep clean. My husband and children have been on break this week, so we have taken the opportunity to do some much needed home improvements. One of them, you will notice if you've been watching me for a while, that the room that I'm in has actually been repainted. It used to be green and we painted it white. We are also refreshing our half bath and our boys' bathrooms, and I can't wait to share those with you guys. I am loving the results of how they are turning out. So we have been working hard over here. I've also been a little under the weather. You can tell with my voice. It's just a little cold, but I'm recovering now, ready to get back on my regular schedule. I will be continuing the cleaning challenge that I have been on next week after I share the bathrooms with you guys. If you all like that kind of content and you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss a video from me. I will be giving away a Bissell steam shot to celebrate 500 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited. So make sure to go follow me over on Instagram for all of the details, and I will leave that in the description box as well. Thank you for watching my videos, taking the time. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I'm not going to talk through this video. This is going to be it because it's a kind of a short video. So I just want to tell you guys that I hope you have a great day. I hope that you're doing well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know is this is where my heart is. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Baby, time to figure out what this could he comes to